Tesla software updates work. Tesla vehicle owners may benefit from a variety of features, including software upgrades. A Tesla is already a wonderful car when it leaves the factory, but it only gets better with each new over-the-air update. In reality, when it comes to improvements, Tesla continues to move at a breakneck pace, releasing minor updates on a regular basis. Tesla's automobiles are distinguished by a few distinct ideas that set it apart from conventional automobile manufacturers. Tesla started with online buying, rather than the dealership format used by some, in addition to being electric cars in a world full of fossil fuel transportation. The vast amount of data generated by the global fleet of smart cars on the road, as well as ongoing software updates tailored to those statistics, could be the advantage that makes it more difficult for the older generation of automakers to keep up with Tesla's rapid innovation. Today we will tell you all about how Tesla software updates work. Before we start, go ahead and subscribe. Also press the bell button to get the latest updates. Without any further delay, let's get started. Over-the-air updates support Tesla cars, with frequent changes and new features added in more substantial upgrades coming at least once a month, often earlier. These improvements could make driving the car safer while also improving efficiency, handling, and technological capabilities. When an update is available, owners will be informed via the Tesla mobile app, as well as a notification on their vehicle's touchscreen. These are available as a rollout, which means that not every car can receive the update at the same time, and the phased rollout will help Tesla's servers avoid congestion. A yellow download icon will appear at the top of the touchscreen when an update is enabled. Downloads can be started in the car or via a smartphone app, and they normally take 30 minutes or less to complete. On the Tesla website, there are some troubleshooting tips if there is a problem with the installation. Tesla vehicles receive significant over-the-air updates once a month on average, with minor updates occurring more regularly. When informed of an update via the mobile app or the car's touchscreen, the owner may tap the yellow download icon on the touchscreen to schedule or begin the update right away. When you schedule something, the icon turns white, and you can reschedule it by pressing it again. Go to Controls and then Software as an alternative. If the message update available is shown, tapping it helps you to schedule or install the update right away. A software update preference can be found on the same settings page and can be changed from standard to advanced to allow updates to be enabled as soon as they become available. The Tesla mobile app can also be used to schedule or install services. When a download starts, the download icon turns green and stays that way until it is over. If an upgrade has begun, it cannot be halted, and the car cannot be driven or charged whilst it is being modified. Since the software is so important to a Tesla vehicle, this is a precaution. The scheduling function helps the user to prevent driving or charging conflicts. The Tesla T, at the top of the car's touchscreen, can be tapped to see what improvements and features come with an over-the-air update. Modifications may change over time. A new window will open, and pressing Release Notes at the bottom will reveal some detail about the current update that is available. Tesla's over-the-air updates allow its vehicles to develop over time, while conventional car manufacturers' vehicles simply age and become less valuable. Tesla recently increased Model S costs, removed its 7-day return policy from its website, revised warranties on used Teslas, and announced beta testing of full self-driving capabilities. It's worth noting that Tesla has increased the range of its vehicles many times. A similar over-the-air software update gave its Model 3 vehicles an extra 15 miles of range last year. These updates show that Tesla is working to improve not only the quality of its electric vehicles at a lower cost but also the potential of its current fleet, especially the newer models like the Model 3 and Model Y. That is all for today, folks. Tell us in the comment section what is your point of view. See you soon with another amazing video.